So did you hear about the ACPI firmware bug in the Asus gaming laptops? It's causing all sorts of stuttering issues.
Wait, seriously? You mean those high-end ROGs with powerful GPUs? Sounds like a nightmare.
Right? These laptops boast RTX 3040 GPUs and high-end Intel processors but stutter during basic tasks.
That's wild. I imagine many users are frustrated, especially after trying all the usual fixes.
Exactly, users have updated drivers, reinstalled Windows, and even tried Linux. None of it worked.
Wow, it sounds like a deep-rooted issue. Is it really related to the firmware?
Yes, it seems the trouble originates with the ACPI.sys driver, which interprets commands from the BIOS.
So the problem isn't just a software glitch. It goes down to firmware level.
Exactly, the ACPI.sys is slow because the firmware provides it with inefficient code.
That's fascinating but also alarming. What evidence backs this up?
Latency moan results show outrageous interrupt to process latency values, up to nearly 66,000 microseconds.
Whoa, that's unacceptable. And it's not just one model showing this.
Nope, other models like the SCAR-15 exhibit similar traits. It's a widespread issue.
What exactly is happening that causes these stutters? Do we know?
The ACPI events are periodically triggered, adding to system latency every 30 to 60 seconds.
So there's a consistent cycle that interferes with performance. That's pretty systematic.
Spot on, the firmware even tries to power cycle the GPU unnecessarily, causing more problems.
That sounds inefficient. Why would it try powering the GPU on and off like that?
Because in theory, it's designed to optimize performance but ends up creating chaos instead.
It's like its logic is contradicting itself. What happens during these cycles?
The cycles lead to issues like audio dropouts and freezing, which is infuriating for gamers.
And this has been going on for a while now, right? Like, since 2021.
Yes, reports of similar symptoms have been popping up for years across multiple models.
That's a long time for an unresolved issue. Have ASUS addressed it at all?
Not yet. As far as I know, they haven't responded to this entire investigation.
It's kind of shocking they left so many users in the lurch.
You'd think they'd prioritize fixing something that affects performance so severely.
Exactly, especially with users relying on these machines for gaming and content creation.
The article explained how flawed logic in the ACPI code contributes to hardware alerts.
That makes me curious. Could there be a workaround until ASUS fixes it?
Some users are suggesting tweaks in power settings, but it seems hit or miss.
Tweak the power settings, huh? I guess it's better than nothing but tricky.
Right, but it's frustrating that users have to troubleshoot such an extensive issue themselves.
For sure, ASUS really needs to step up their game in firmware updates.
Totally, users are experiencing latency issues while performing routine tasks.
And it begs the question, what are they doing about quality control on their firmware?
Good point, you'd expect more stringent checks before releasing such complex systems.
Agreed, especially for premium products that command high prices.
Well, it's definitely a topic worth keeping an eye on. Let's see how ASUS responds.
Absolutely. What a mess, but it's an important lesson on firmware management.
Right, it's not just about specs. The underlying software is equally critical.
Exactly. I'll be curious to see if they finally address it in future updates.
Same here, let's hope for smoother sailing for ASUS users soon.